How to see a send friend request in Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. First, you will need to take a snap. After you take the snap, click on send to. With that, you're gonna find this recent section. Here, you're gonna find the list of your friends. These are the people that you have added in your Snapchat. Now I can send the snap to everyone. Just checking for everyone. Then send the snap. After you send the snap, you can scroll down. At the right corner of each Snapchatter, you will find this camera icon or this chat icon or this cross icon. When you see this cross icon at the right corner of the Snapchatter, that means you have sent the friend request to that person, but that person hasn't added you back. So these are the people I have sent the friend request to, but these people haven't added me back. Well, this way you can easily see a send friend request in Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.